want to go play.
No, you don't. You're gonna sit right there and you're gonna wait on your sister.
Come on, Uncle Bernie.
Jordan, I said sit there and wait on your sister. That's what I mean.
You want to race?
No, I don't want to race. I just want to sit right here and wait on your sister.
There she is.
Jordan. No, you don't.
You better not have to put a dent in my car, I swear. Let it be a damn. Put your hand right in the door and smash it. I'm not kidding. Every time I try to tell you something, oh, Jordan! What's wrong with you? Are you blind? Huh? What did I do to put some sense in your head, Jordan? Beat you in the head with a dictionary? It ain't gonna do no good, because you ain't gonna see it coming. The big, thick, pop bottle glasses you got on, stupid little beetle.
Hi, Uncle Bernie.
Stupid little beetle?
Oh, Lord.